Hello everyone, it's Ripal Sah from London once again. From my previous video, I explained about the Mumbai airport, the current situation about the Mumbai airport, and there was a lots of question that in my comment that what about the Delhi airport, because of lots of people are flying Delhi and via Delhi to other destination. So I will let you know the Delhi what's the situation at the moment for the people are landing from UK. So same thing when you go from UK, when you land in Delhi, they will do the COVID test before you come out from the Delhi airport or before you catch the connectivity flight. So the process is, of course, you have to fill the Air Suvidha form and do the COVID test from UK, which is very important. When you land there in a Delhi airport, there is a two option. The first is 500 rupees, but it will take longer time to get the result. And another option is 3,500 rupees, which is quick result within a couple of hours. So when you land on Delhi airport, they will ask you to do the registration, fill the quick form. It takes at least just 10 minutes only. And then once you fill that information, they will ask you to go to the counter to give your sample. So when you go to that counter and give your sample, uh, they will give you the barcode sticker on the Delhi airport. So which is very important. Keep that barcode sticker with you and they will ask your email address. So the result will come in your email. If you pay 3,500 rupees, it take couple of hours only. So keep checking your email in your mobile. If you don't have mobile or the email won't come in your inbox in 2 hours, go to the counter and show your barcode sticker and they will print the report manually quickly. So don't keep waiting for 3 and 4 hours if you have a connectivity flight or if you want to come out early. So if you choose the option 3,500 rupees, the quick result, don't wait more than 2 hours. Go back to the counter and tell them it's already 2 hours and I got a connectivity flight and this is the barcode sticker. Can you have a look? So they will print the report manually and give you the negative report and you can go for the connectivity flight. After you got the report, you have to collect your luggage. So make sure on meantime when you go to the waiting area, just double check your belt number on the screen. So whatever the flight you landed in Delhi, check on the screen where is your belt number. So if you know the belt number in advance, they take all the luggage out from the belt and they keep it on the side. So when you go to that belt number, just pick the luggage quickly and go to the connectivity flight. So still I would suggest everyone, like my previous video, keep minimum 6 hours hold in Delhi and choose the option 3,500 rupees and definitely you won't miss your connectivity flight. Another things, the Air Suvidha form is very important, especially Air India sent all the email to all the travel agent. Keep the hard copy with you. So when you go to the airport, please print your Air Suvidha form. Yes, I know you can show on the mobile, but some of the airlines, they want the hard copy on the piece of paper. If you don't print, they will give you option, like Air India, they give option on Heathrow airport to print and you can print on the airport, but they charge £10 per page. Absolutely, £10 per page. That's the option they're giving on the airport. So fill the form and just do the printout before you go on the airport. And lots of people scaring is a lots of counter on Delhi compared to the last year is a good facility on Delhi. I spoke to nearly minimum 4 to 5 family whoever landed from UK to Delhi. They are scaring to go via Delhi, but once they land and reach home, and when I spoke to them, they just little bit relax. Is compared to the previous years, this year they put the extra counter, so it's not too much queue, not too much hassle. So is compared to the previous, Delhi options are better and the results are coming quickly compared to the last year. So people are scaring, oh, I don't want to go via Delhi, it's too much hassle. It's okay. It's okay. I spoke to 4 to 5 people. So as I mentioned about all the process, how it works, follow that one and then you will be fine. So if you like my video, click on subscribe, and any future information from Bombay or Delhi or any other countries, I will let you know. And like you and love you all. Thank you so much. Bye for now.